Exploring the Tasks module. The Tasks module allows you to schedule, view, and keep track of tasks related to the selected care recipient. The Tasks module helps the care team chart and keep record of important tasks related to the care recipient, such as their vitals, activity, mood and behavior, daily living, and general well-being. Verify Care allows users to create custom tasks so documentation needs can be individualized to each care recipient. How to access the Tasks module. To access the Tasks module, tap the Tasks icon on the main navigation bar. This will take you to the Tasks screen. At the top of the Tasks screen, the orange date bar will display the current date. To view tasks on a different date, use the arrow on the left to view the previous day, and use the arrow on the right to view the following day. To jump to a different day, tap the date bar. A pop-up will appear with a calendar display. To view the previous month, tap the word Previous. To view the following month, tap the word Next. To view an alternate year, tap the year at the top of the pop-up. Then select the desired year from the scrollable list and tap OK. Once you have selected your desired date, tap OK at the bottom of the pop-up box. To jump back to the current date, tap the white T on the date bar at any time. Selecting the Schedule tab will display all the scheduled tasks due on the selected day for the selected care recipient. In the Scheduled section, the wheel displays the percentage of tasks that have been completed, skipped, or are incomplete. Completed tasks are represented in blue, skipped tasks are represented in orange, and incomplete tasks are represented in gray. Below the header, you will find all the assigned tasks displayed in chronological order of when the tasks are due. The task set to a flex time will be displayed at the top, and the hour increment for the current time will default as expanded, as those are the items due now. The right side of each row indicates how many records are left outstanding for that time period, or indicates if all tasks due during that time period have been completed. Selecting the As Needed tab will display all task categories and allows you to chart a task as needed or as a single entry. This area allows you to capture extra events as they occur but are not necessarily scheduled. How to create a task. To create a task, tap the pencil icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Select the category of the task, then select the type of the task by tapping the chevron icon to enter the task parameters. You may utilize the Other section to create fully customizable tasks. In the Task Setup screen, the top blue bar will display the task icon, the title of the task, and the unit of measurement used for the task. Select the date to begin the task in the Start Date field. If the task has a specific end date, select the desired date in the End Date field, or utilize the Ongoing option if there is no set end to the task. In the Frequency field, select if the task needs to be performed or completed hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. Other fields will appear in the frequency parameter based on your selection to further identify the frequency and time the task should be performed. Setting the time frame to flex means the task is not assigned to a specific time slot and can be performed at any time on the assigned date. If desired, the Comments field may be used to enter any comments, instructions, or helpful suggestions to complete the task. The Outliers section is an optional setting used to designate if there are any parameters you are trying to stay within. Outliers less than, equal to, or greater than can be set so the desired acceptable range can be monitored. If an outlier value is charted for that task, Verify Care will detect this and notify the user charting the entry that the value charted was outside the expected range. The app will also automatically send an alert to the care team via the Verify Care inbox. In the Outlier Recommendations field, enter in any notes or recommendations regarding the outlier, such as what to do in the event a critical outlier is charted. These instructions will appear to the user charting the outlier value, so they are aware what they should do in the event right away. Once all the desired fields are completed, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner to save the task. How to create a custom task. In addition to being able to assign a default task type, such as blood pressure or fluid intake, Verify Care allows custom tasks to be created. This gives users ultimate flexibility in tracking anything they would like that is relevant to caring for the selected care recipient. To create a custom task, tap the pencil icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Tap the chevron icon to open the Other category and turn on the toggle next to Other. Select an image for your task. If no image matches your desired setup, you can choose the generic image, which will display 3 dots as the default image. Enter the title of the task in the task name field. Next, select the data type you would like to track when this task is charted on. All tasks in the Other and Daily Living categories allow users to define the type of data they would like charted on for a specific task. You can choose any of the data types from the list, such as complete, incomplete, time, or percentage. You can even create your own custom list to give a multiple choice option when charting on the task. The multiple choice options can be set up to only allow one selection from the list or allow multiple selections. To create a custom list, choose the desired selection from the data type list. Enter a tag if desired. Next, you can either tap the drop-down in the Create New field to use a previously created list, or keep the setting at Create New to create a new list. Tap the pencil icon to create or edit the selected list. First, enter in the name for your list in the List Name field. Then, add the items to the list by typing in each element, then clicking the plus icon to add it to the list. Once the elements have been added to the list, you can change the order of their display by tapping an item and holding it and dragging it to the desired location. You can uncheck an element in the Active Remove column if you temporarily do not want it to show on the list of options when charted on. Or you can delete the list element altogether by tapping the Delete icon. Once finished with the list creation, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner to ensure your changes are saved. Fill in the rest of the fields for the task setup as seen previously. Once complete, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner to save the task. Care recipients can have as many custom tasks in the Other category as desired. How to edit a task. To edit the parameters of a task, tap the pencil icon to display the task categories. Locate the task you would like to edit and tap the chevron icon to open the task. When going in to edit a task, it will automatically set the start date to today's date in order to ensure the task parameters will only change future entries. Past entries for the task will not be changed. The start date in which the edits will take effect can be updated as needed. Once your changes have been made, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner. How to view the history of a task. To view a task assignment history, tap the pencil icon to display the task categories. Locate the desired task and tap the chevron icon to open the task parameters. Tap the information icon in the top blue bar to view the task's history. This area allows you to view when a task was initially created, by which care team member, and the original parameters assigned. Any changes made to the tasks will be indicated with an eyeball icon and separated with a line. You can view the summary of changes, or tap the eyeball icon to get a full display of the task assignment at that given time. When finished, tap the back button to be taken back to the task screen. How to inactivate a task. To mark a task as inactive, tap the pencil icon to display the task categories. Locate the desired task and turn the toggle off to mark it as inactive. Preset tasks cannot be deleted. This is so there is a record kept of the last used parameters for this task if ever needed to be reactivated. A task can be reactivated with new parameters at any given time. All data previously charted under the previous parameters will remain available for viewing purposes. Completed task charting can be seen on the home screen, as well as the task, analyze, and summary report modules. How to delete a custom task. To delete a custom task, tap the pencil icon to display the task categories. Under Other, locate the custom task you would like to delete. Tap the chevron icon to open the custom task parameters. Scroll to the bottom of the custom task parameters and tap the orange Delete button. A pop-up will appear asking if you would like to complete this action. Tap Yes to delete the custom task, or tap No to keep it. Please note, deleting a custom task will remove it from the task list for future assignments, but any entries previously documented on this task will remain. How to chart a task. Users who are checked in for a care recipient will receive push notification alerts if a task is due and they are not currently logged into the app. Users can complete the charting for tasks directly from the push notification by tapping the push notification link. If already in the app, they will receive a notification reminding them that the care recipient has a task due at this time, or by going directly into the task module. To chart a task from within the task module, locate the task in the desired timeframe and tap the chevron icon to open the task entry box. Chart your data by entering in the required information. If needed, add any helpful notes to the entry or leave this field blank. Tap Save to ensure the data is successfully charted. A blue checkmark will appear on the right side of the task to indicate it has been completed. Extra charting can be completed at any time by utilizing the As Needed tab on the task screen. There may be times when a user would like to record documentation on a task, even if it isn't scheduled to be done. To chart an As Needed task, tap the As Needed header. They may want to record an entry that a care recipient fell, or they took an extra blood sugar test during the day and want to record the result. Open the desired category and tap the chevron icon to open the desired task. Record the entry as desired and tap Save to ensure your data is successfully saved. The recorded entry will display and another spot will open to record additional data as needed. A user can chart as many times under the As Needed task section as desired. How to edit a charted task. To edit a charted task, locate the task entry you would like to edit. Tap the chevron icon to view the entry details. Tap the pencil icon on the right side of the entry details to edit the entry. Make your changes as needed, and tap Save to ensure your changes are saved. The entry details will update to show the team member last recorded data for the selected task and what time. How to skip a task. A task may not be performed on a given day for various reasons, which can be charted as a skipped task. To skip a task, locate the task you would like to skip. Tap the chevron icon to open the entry. Tap the orange Skip button to save the entry as a skipped task. A box will then appear giving the option to add additional notes or reschedule the task to be completed at another time. How to reschedule a skipped task. To reschedule a skipped task, tap the blue plus icon. Enter in any notes in the reason for skipping field, or leave this field blank. Check the box to the left of the date fields and select the desired date and time to reschedule the task. Tap Save to ensure your changes are saved. How to delete task charting. To delete previously charted task documentation, locate the entry you would like to delete. Tap the chevron icon to open the entry. Then, the orange pencil icon to open the editing screen. Next, tap the orange Delete button. A pop-up will appear asking if you would like to delete the record. Tap Yes to confirm, or No to keep the entry. How to create and export a task report. To create a task report, tap the pencil icon to display the task categories. In the upper right-hand corner, tap the report icon. This will generate a PDF of all active tasks, the frequency they occur, and what time of day they are due for the selected care recipient. To export the PDF, tap the export icon in the upper right-hand corner. Depending on your device, you will have various options on how to export or send your documents. Thanks for watching. Download the Verify Care app today. Available for download at the App Store and Google Play.